What's up everyone on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna go ahead and do a quick upload. Yes guys, we're recording on a Saturday. We record every day, but I just want to let you guys in on some plays that I'm gonna be looking at for this week. So let me know if you guys are excited for this week's plays. It's gonna be a massive week, so you don't want to miss this. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, starting off, I gotta talk about the S&P 500, ticker symbol SPY, and this video is going to go faster than normal videos. Okay, so we're chilling at 607.5 right now, so we are in the middle mark between 610 and 605. There's a ton of stocks like NVDA that we're going to go later in this video that have pullback potential, so I want you guys to keep this level in mind because we are basically in the middle. So we could easily pull back to 605, but if Mag 7 runs next week, we can break out of the 610 resistance right here. You guys can see we almost tried to break out a 610.44, but obviously that was all-time highs, so we pulled back. But we got a ton of stocks that could potentially run up next week, so let me know if you guys are excited. On the week, we're up 1.84% the past week. You guys know 2 weeks ago we went down pretty hard, right? We went down to this 576 level, but we recovered nicely. So that is what I like to see, being bullish on this market. Okay, when it was down, we obviously were grabbing all the dips we could, so we ate as much we could. We went back up to 607, and now we are in the middle spot between 610 and 605. So I want you guys to get reminded on these levels because these are important. Okay? All right guys, the first stock that I'm going to be looking at, I want to put you guys on this stock, ticker symbol AAPL. Why am I putting you guys on ticker symbol AAPL? Well, they actually have their earnings coming up next week, so, or this week. This is going to be huge, so I want you guys to keep out a look on them. They have solid support in the 220 area. Okay, Apple has support in the 220 area after climbing down from, what is it, 260, about 260. Apple has made some solid support at this 220, 222 level, so I want you guys to keep an eye on that as well. Look at the weekly chart, guys. We've been trying to break out here on Apple. Apple's been, you can see it's been climbing up nicely. It's been trying to break resistance ever since the past week, okay, from lows as 220. So I need you guys to watch this 220 level quickly. If Apple hits 220, I'm gonna look to buy into Apple as part of a bounce pack. But if it breaks 220, okay, if there's some sort of confirmation, I'm gonna be looking to go towards the downside of Apple. You guys know I love to make money on both ways, so we're gonna be looking at that for Apple. But obviously when you have an earnings catalyst, things are going to get crazy. Okay, I'm gonna be expecting a run up, but we gotta be reactive. Okay, if it comes down to 220, I'm be looking to buy a bounce, but if not, we're gonna be looking to go short on the stock. Okay, so take a look at this. It's trying to hit 225, obviously rejected from the lows, so keep this one on your radar. Okay, and I want you guys to look at the hit trade options. I'm going to be looking at first, I'm going to be looking at the weekly, but if it gets to a point where I'm buying below, I'm going to be switching my date to February 14th to give us some time, if that makes sense. So I'm be looking at mainly the 225 calls. These are worth 430 at the moment. Their IV is 47%, so that's pretty good. When there's earnings coming soon enough, the IV should or is expected to spike up, okay, in anticipation for earnings. So I want you guys to keep a lookout on those implied moves. But anyways, let's go to the next stock, guys, and the next stock is going to be ticker symbol NVDA. This stock is sitting at right now $142.02 a share. This is down 3% today and is down almost 0.5% in the after hours. This is crucial because, as you guys know, the video was about to reach all-time highs again. Take a look at this from January 6th. Okay, it hit 151 and then it rejected. You guys can see the movement on NVIDIA, and the same thing happened here. It didn't make its all-time highs, it didn't have a catalyst, but it basically did the same move. Okay, so I marked on my chart that we got room to 140. Every time NVIDIA has made this sort of move, we are expected to go down to 140. So I want you guys to keep that level in mind. If we go to 140, I'm going to be looking to trade the upside on NVIDIA. But obviously, if we break 140, similarly to Apple's 220 level, I'm going to be looking to go short. Okay, guys, so see this, when we get an all-time high, breakout trade, and then we go down, we hit the 140 support. So I'm gonna be looking for this support level, and obviously if we break 140, I'm gonna be looking for downside targets to 130. Okay, so those are my supports for the video right now. Right now we're in middle land, so we could bounce off 142, but if we break that, I'm gonna be looking for downside of 140 in the video. Let's go ahead and get to the next stock, guys. And also, okay, I want to look at the, let's see here, I want to look at the 145 calls for NVIDIA, and obviously on the downside, I'm gonna be taking a look at the 140 put. So I'm gonna let you guys know about that. And then next up, we got ticker symbol SOFI, guys. I know you guys have been commenting about this stock in my comments below. Let me know if you guys are in ticker symbol SOFI right here, up 8% the past week. Take a look at this, guys. SOFI has made a beautiful move from all the way down to 1380. It rocket shipped right back up to 1795. Let's see how much of a move that was. So that was a 30-ish% move. That was, yeah, that was a rocket ship, guys. Take a look at that. But they have a huge catalyst coming in Monday, so they are expected to report earnings. Based on how earnings could go, this could either go from $18 to $20, or it could probably fall back down to either $16 or $15. So this is a huge watch. I'm not into any positions onto SOFI, but this will be an interesting watch for sure. I know a lot of people are rooting for SOFI, so good luck to everyone on SOFI. Let's go ahead and go to the next stock. And guys, next stock I'm going to be looking at is ticker symbol CHSN, Chanson stock, guys. This one is down 21%, 21.43% today. And as you guys know, we're going through these fast. Okay, so 21.43% today, up 10% in the after hours. And I'm looking for a bounce trade on this, but I want to see this one pull back to the 60 cents level. As you guys see right here, this one established a solid support at the 60-cent level. So if I could grab some shares at that, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm looking for a drawdown to 60 cents and then a rocket ship back up, guys. So you can see that it's trying to look at this. It's trying to gap fill up to 82%, 82 cents, not percent, in the pre-market. And you can see on the week, this one flushed down 87% in the past week, guys. Take a look at this. $6 all the way from, $6 to 80 cents or 70 cents right now. So this one, I'm looking for a dead cat bounce play on this one. Okay, that's another stock that I'm going to be looking at. Next up, we got Holo, guys. Ticker symbol HOLO, micro cloud hologram. This one is down 1% in the past week. If you take a look at the monthly chart, this one's up 9% in the past month. With the theme, if ticker symbol CHSN goes up, okay, and how DXF reacts, I'm going to be looking into some other stocks similar to them. So I got UK, Holo. There's a ton of other stocks that I'm going to be going over in the next video, okay? But this is something I'm looking at, looking for a bottom trade here at 156. As you can see, it's just been climbing down ever since it's made its high at 70.67. So I'm going to be looking at this if it goes to, let's say 150, okay? So that's for Holo. Next up, we got ticker symbol GODN, Golden Star Acquisition. They're going to be changing their ticker to about, I think it's SMGH. I'm not too sure about this, but they're changing their ticker, okay? They're merging into another company, and this one fell from $15 all the way suddenly to down to $2.90. So you guys recall, I hit a day trade on this. Okay, I had to secure some profit, but I'm gonna look to enter this back in if it goes down to 286. Okay, the price action, the moves on this stock are wild. You guys just have to know that, okay? Once it went up to 385, the bid and ask, the ask was like 380, the bid was 320. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys know about that one. And yeah, we made lows such as 268. So if you guys want to see some moves down below, okay, watch for the 260 to 280 area, because I'm going to be looking up to picking some shares if it goes back to that level. Once again, another bounce play off these lows, guys. As you all know, I love dead cat bounces, so that's why I like trading. Okay, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol SGN. This one is a fairly new stock, I believe. Let's see how okay, actually it's not a new stock, but it's a new stock on my radar. Okay, we're looking at this for a, let's see right here, I got this ticker at we're gonna look for a breakout above 220. So for this one, if this one goes back to Dollarland, I'm gonna be looking to add some shares on this one, guys. I like these bounces, as you know. So see you guys, once you see some support right here at 185, 187, 185, I'm gonna be looking to enter on this at 185. Okay, so that's another stock I'm looking at. And guys, I have to keep this video running, so I don't want to explain too much right now. Next up, we got ticker symbol RIME, RIME Algorithm Holdings. This is at 0.0352. I have to be, of course, precise on the numbers. This one's down 4% in the past week. You guys can see, look at the daily volume on this. 286 million volume, guys. A ton of people are watching this stock, and obviously there's a ton of volume, but you can see there's so much just barcoding, right? Well, this one, there's more definitions of barcoding. Like if you look at ticker symbol LITM, that's an example of barcoding where it just stuck to $1 share. But if you look at this, okay, you don't really identify any patterns here. So once again, I have this drawn out on my charts. I'm going to be looking to enter this one back in if it hits 0.032, like I said in the previous videos. Okay, if it comes down a bit more, it's already low, but if it comes down a bit more to like 0.032, I'm gonna be looking to get back in. This one I'm gonna be watching for a, yeah, you guys can see just a bit below these lows right here. I'm gonna be looking for a breakout of 4 cents because of how ACON moved in the previous days. Okay, ACON was sitting at 0.038 and then it just rocket shipped all the way to 8 cents. So looking for same move on ticker symbol RIME, but obviously patience will play. So we'll be patient on that. We'll wait for our entry just like every other stock because patient pays in this market, guys. Make sure you're patient, especially if you're in the 1 to 100K challenge. You want to be using your day trades efficiently, but just know, okay, if you can't day trade, don't worry, you'll get it back next week. Okay, so patience is always going to pay out. Next up, we got ticker symbol SPY. We covered SPY, and guys, I just have a few more on my watch list. All right, guys, next up we got ticker symbol XRP. This one is up almost 1% today. Obviously, with under the Trump administration, we got some new sign-in deals, okay, that I'm going to be looking for. So crypto could absolutely boom off some new news, but right now we've been covering XRP on the channel. This one is up 45% in the past month. So big salute for those who are in XRP. If you guys are in XRP, let me know how much XRP you are holding down below in the comments. And in the 3 months, this is up 506%. So well done. This is a rocket ship, guys. Take a look at XRP, up 488% in the past year, and on the 5 year, this is up 1000%. So if we get some new rules, new signing, obviously there's been talks about no tax on crypto. Okay, that is going to be huge for a ton of cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP too. So big eyes on this, and obviously if more banks adapt to XRP, we've been covering that on the channel. This one might just as well go to $4. Okay, we've been watching this. And then we got a last ticker, guys. All right, guys, last up we got ticker symbol Trump. Okay, ticker symbol TRUMP. This is the Trump meme coin, guys. We do not trade meme coins on this channel, but they are nice to look at, so I might as well include it in this video. On the week, this is down 35% in the past week after being launched on Robinhood, guys. But take a look at this. This one had highs of, I believe, $78, and now it's back down to $26, but making lows. But this one's making highs off this low, so looking good, guys. You could see there's a solid support. Let's see right here, about at $27. So if it goes to $27, might have some bounces, but obviously this has only been a week in the making, guys. This crypto has been going crazy, so something to just keep some eyes on just for fun. But yeah, this was a moment in history, guys. So not much people can say anything about it, right? Not much people can say anything about it. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I know it's a little bit different, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know down below in the comments what you are watching for this week. Sunday's video is going to be way bigger than this one. I just want to give you guys some stocks. Okay, I'm gonna reveal everything tomorrow, but some stocks I'm going to be looking at for this week. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. We do videos just like this every day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.